Hi students, I'm just gonna go over what everything is gonna look like this week and what you should expect. I'm making this Sunday night, so you're gonna see that all of my stuff is in draft and not posted yet, but Monday morning it will all be posted. So you should see everything in the stream here, but you can also use this classwork tab, and on mobile I think it's on the bottom of your screen. You're gonna see the weekly newsletter, the video that I made to go with your lessons, a syllabus addendum, so some changes for the next couple weeks, and then any kind of definitions or formulas I put in a Google Doc, that's on there as well. I am using geometry for the example, but it's pretty much the same setup for all the classes. And then you're going to see each of your lessons, there's going to be 3 posts for each lesson. So the first one is a materials post. It looks kind of like a page with a little bookmark. And that has the blank copies of notes and practice problems, the keys for the notes and practice problems. If I found a YouTube lesson video that went along with it, not by me, but by other teachers, I shared that here. And then a link to the lesson website. So you can see the lesson website has all of the parts of your lesson, and if there are different things, graphs or measurements, there's usually applets on here that you can use for those as well. And then the practice problems are here. We're only going to be doing the practice problems that go with the lesson, not the review problems, just like normal. Then the next things you're going to see are the practice problems and the cool down. So the practice problems show this link to a website called Assessments. You do have to sign in, but you can just use your Google account. And Assessments looks like this. You enter your problem and submit your answer. You can do it as many times as you want. If it's something that it can automatically correct, so in this example, you should have a numerical answer. If the answer is 12 and you don't put 12 in, it's going to tell you whether or not it's right. If it's something that you need to explain, then it's going to be something that I have to go in and look over. But it does give you some more feedback, and it will help you if you need help. So you can do those as many times as you want. If you don't want to use the Assessments program, you can do your problems on paper and turn it in, but you do need to turn in your practice problems every week. The other thing you need to turn in is your cool down. This is just a PDF, so you'll have to do it on your own. You can make a document, you can write it on paper, you can email it to me, text it to me, however you want to get it to me. There is no key provided for this because this is showing me that you have made understanding on your own. The practice problems will probably help you with that as well. And then you can see that I've done that for 3 lessons this week. So there's the materials, the practice problems, the cool down, and then one more, materials, practice problems, cool down. And then on Monday of next week, I will post 3 more. All of the practice problems and cool downs show that they are due Friday by 11:59 p.m. So you have till the end of the week to do all 3 lessons. If you think that you're not going to be able to get it completed in that time, you can contact me. Part of the reason that I set a due date is that way if I check them all on Saturday morning and I don't see yours, if you submit it later, it does send me an alert. It does not do that until it's after the due date. So there is some flexibility here. You just need to let me know. And then also in your stream during the week, you're going to see times for Zoom meetings. So I'm going to schedule 2 of those a week. And if you need additional help, there will be a code and you can join a Zoom meeting to come get help. You can email me, you can text me, you can set up another time if you want to meet by video chat or phone call. You can just let me know. There are lots of options for that.